Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can show your name on your Samsung Galaxy phone's lock screen. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have opened my phone and first of all, I'm going to open my settings application. Once we have opened the setting, we can go to the lock screen setting. Okay, and click on lock screen. You can edit your lock screen and then click on contact information. Alright, and here you'll be able to add your name. For instance, I'm going to type in Marl's phone. Okay, once you're done, you can click on done and then click on done again. And I'm going to lock my screen to take a look at the result. Okay, and as you can see that my name has appeared on my lock screen. Alright guys, and that's how we can show our name on our lock screen in Samsung Galaxy phone. Hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.